Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you the first 3 rules of industrial design sketching. So the very basics, if you want to get into it, this is really going to help you understand the rules of how we create clear images that really pop off the page. So I have this really cool box here that will help me explain it. I'm going to have a video of me doing some drawings that you can watch right after this. That'll really help. So first step is you're going to start off with pen. Draw everything in pen very quickly. You gotta be able to rapid sketch with industrial design. So make sure that you're just doing clean pen marks. You don't want to go over them multiple times. Just do it real quickly. You gotta get really good at doing quick straight lines and such, but that is key. Secondly, as you can see, all the edges that have empty space behind them, and you have to assume that your object is floating in space, that's not on a table or anything, is Sharpie. So as you can see, all these outside edges of the box are Sharpie because there's nothing behind it necessarily, it's an empty space. These ones here are not, there's mass behind it, there's matter, which is the box. Those ones are going to be the Flair pen, so it's a little bit lighter than the Sharpie, and that's the reason we do this. Is this Sharpie really pops the image out of the page, so it's easy to see, and then this Flair pen gives it some good detail. And then as you can see, the gradient here that I did with the coloring, which we'll briefly go over, but we'll maybe say that for a different one. So that's the 3 steps: Sharpie, Flair, and pen is all you're going to need to do these sketches. So I'll put a video of me doing the sketch up now, and I hope you can get something out of it. Alright, you're going to start out by using your pen for your drawings. Sketch them pretty quickly. You have to do a lot of sketches in a day in industrial design, so get used to, rapid sketching. And then what we're going to do is grab our Sharpie and go over all the edges that have nothing behind them. So that's all the edges of this box except for the 3 that are part of the box. So those ones we'll go over with Flair, the lighter Sharpie. And that is what you want it to look like. So we'll do another thing here. So basically, start out with pen, then go over the edges that have empty space behind them with Sharpie, and then the edges that you can see 2 faces on, go through them with a Flair pen. So here is another example. So we quickly did that with pen. Now we're going to go over all the edges here with Sharpie, and it's really going to make it clear, understandable. That's the whole key of industrial design sketching. You want people to really know what you're trying to convey. There we go. And then next we'll get our Flair pen, and all those edges that are part of the box and you can see the 2 faces of, we'll go over those. Alright, there we go. As you can see, it looks really clear. Even with the camera kind of pointed at a weird angle, you can really tell what these are. And that's the whole point. They need to be very readable. So definitely practice using that. And I'm going to do a quick shading demo. My markers that I generally use ran out, so I'm going to be using a little different ones, and still turns out okay, but could be better. Anyways, you go over it really quickly. Again, just like sketching, you got to color pretty quickly because you have to go through quite a few of them. I use Copic markers. They are kind of expensive, but they're widely considered the best. So as you can see, there's having good gradients in your pictures is great. You can see the lightest light is on top. It's just a pure white, and then that dark wall where the least color is. Now, I wish there was a better transition between the middle and darkest, but my marker ran out that I usually use, so I'm going to do a few more tutorials moving forward if you guys want it, but that's the basics, and you know, I hope you good luck. Wish you good luck in your industrial design and artistic endeavors. Catch you guys next time. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll create more videos.